Hello everyone, I'm Shuparna Banerjee from Magical Healing Art. Today I have come to show you how you can make the Cascarilla powder at home. This powder is very good for protection from any negative energy. You just take this powder and just throw it outside your boundary, okay, or four corners of your room. You can keep it in a small bowl and keep it in your four corners of the room. This is very good actually, so that's why I am bringing today. Now let's begin. Okay then, now let's begin. Okay, for this I'm taking the eggshells. This is the white eggshell. Okay, then I'm taking the sea salt. This is actually my recipe. I am making this way. Okay, different recipes are there outside, so I am just making in my way. This is the cinnamon powder. I am using dragon blood also, and selenite. Okay, and I am using these oils, essential oils also. This is the patchouli, this is the frankincense, and this is the clove. You know, all these oils are very good for protection. Okay, remove negativity, so that's why I'm using this one. Okay, so first I will take the eggshells. Okay, in the eggshell there is a layer. Okay, some of the layers are coming out. When I was cleaning this one, I actually boiled these eggshells, okay, for cleaning, and then I rinsed with the normal water, and I was drying on the actually under the sunshine. So over here you can see one screen is there, a thin layer is there. That is I am not removing, okay, that because that is very good for protection. This is protecting the eggs from inside, so that's why I'm not removing that one. Okay, for me that is very protective. Okay, now if you want you can do it in this one in coffee grounder also. Electric coffee grinder you can use. I'm taking the white eggshells. You can do it with brown eggshells also, because white is for purity. So that's why I'm using this one. If you want you can make it like a dust, like a powder, or you can keep it like this type of chunks. Okay, is very protective. This is very good for protection also. Means from any negativity, any psychic attack. Now I'll add a little bit of salt, okay? Now I'll be adding in it essential oils. First I'll add dragon blood. Selenite is very good for protection, and it is actually charging, okay? So that's why I am keeping little bit of selenite in it, so it can be charging this powder, okay? Patchouli. A little bit of cinnamon powder in it. I am keeping the cinnamon powder because this is very protective. I am taking the cinnamon bark also and just showing the smoke of the cinnamon all over the house. Smelling very nice. I am adding the clove. Everybody knows clove is very good for protection. Okay. You can do one thing as well. You can just dust it on the floor and then broom it. You can apply on the your candle also and burn the candle. Okay, if you want to protect someone, burn the candle, you write the name of that person on the candle, and then you add this one on the candle and you burn the candle. That is also you can do. Now next I'll be adding the frankincense. You can even add the rosemary also. I'm thinking I will add rosemary as well. Yeah, I'll add rosemary also. This is I have already bought over here, so I can just add it in it. You can add whatever you want. Okay, you can make your own recipe, not that whatever means any person is telling that you have to make like this way. Don't think like that. You can make it in your own way. Okay, whatever you think needed, you can add that. This is rosemary. This is smelling so beautiful. Okay, then. Okay, in this way you can make the cascarilla powder. If you want to make more fine, then you can make it more fine in your grinder also, or you can use coffee grinder. But careful, if you are using the coffee grinder for your magical purpose, don't use that one in your kitchen. Okay. And another thing, you can make chalk also out of this one. You can add just cornstarch or arrowroot in this and little bit of holy water. Okay, and make the paste. And but this is little bit chunks are there. You have to make it powder, totally make powder, and then you have to add little bit of your holy water in it. And you can draw the sizzle out of that one, or you can, when you are doing any work, you can just draw the circle, okay, near the candle. So in that way also you can use this cascarilla powder as a chalk. Okay. Okay, then I'll be bringing another new spell or a new recipe. So until then, bye bye.